Welcome Capricorn. Today we'll be doing your tarot reading for the month of October 2020. I'll be doing a 3-card reading which will talk about your health, wealth and career and relationship segment. And before that, I'll give you a little glimpse about your general reading. What are your current stars about? So let's get started. On October 1st, a full moon in your domestic house can bring upheaval of emotions. There might be something in your family which will make you really upset, extra emotional, extra sensitive, or extra angry. But you should learn to control your emotions and deal with the situation very practically. In case if you have invested in some real estate or invested in any other activities where you expected good returns, that might not have met your expectation or might not have given you the desired results that you were expecting. But that is something which will be the core of your frustration, core of your anger. But don't get disappointed. It's just a normal phase of life. You will come out as a winner. This is a rough phase which will pass and you'll definitely bounce back. I see you rise above your circumstances in no time. When it comes to your wealth segment, it looks promising. I see you working very hard, and definitely luck is also on your side. Lady luck seems to be on your side, and professional matters look amazing near the new moon on October 16. So you can set your career goals high because you are definitely going to achieve them with your dedication, devotion and hard work that you are putting into it. On 27th, Venus and Mercury both move into the career segment of your chart, adding even more support from your friends, relatives, cousins, and your peers. And this will help you execute the projects to completion. And you will be the one who will be the driving factor in the entire game that I see. When it comes to your relationship segment, I see romance all over the place for you by the month end. The second full moon falls in your 5th house of true love on October 31st and is closely linked to erratic Uranus. This could play out as a sudden realization that you are in love with someone and you can feel it from the bottom of your heart. In case if you are single, this seems to be a very promising connection. In case if you are already committed, you can take this association, this relationship forward, and it will be the best act that you can do in these times. So when I want to grade you on career front, I can give you 10 out of 10. In love aspect, I can give you 8 out of 10. In health segment, I see your stars little frustrating in the beginning, which might bring your health little down. You might be little emotionally upset, but after mid-October, it seems to be promising. So your health segment, I can give you 5 out of 10. So that is all for this month of October. Hope you have a good time. Take care of yourself. In case if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe because you will get my latest updates from time to time.